Hello gardeners, check out this seedling starter tray and heat mat kit designed for easy seed germination and growth. The 11.5 by 22.5-inch heat mat fits perfectly under 6 12-cell seed trays and is made of transparent material for easy seed monitoring. Each tray has built-in drainage holes and water storage to keep your seedlings healthy and hydrated. The included humidity domes feature vents that balance oxygen exchange and moisture for optimal growing conditions. Made from rigid, reusable materials, these trays are compatible with heat mats operating up to 120 degrees Celsius. You can grow a variety of plants like vegetables, succulents, and flowers all in one kit. Plus, it comes with plant labels and a handy garden toolkit to make starting seeds indoors or outdoors simple and fun. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.